In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the recycle bin in OneDrive. Whether you're trying to free up space or simply want to permanently delete files you've decided are no longer needed, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in to ensure your OneDrive is as clean and efficient as possible. To begin with, you'll need to head over to your internet browser and navigate to onedrive.live.com. Once you're there, if you haven't done so already, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This might include your email and password. Be patient as your OneDrive account loads. This should take just a moment. Now that you're successfully signed in, your main OneDrive interface should be in front of you. Take a look at the left side panel where you'll see different sections listed. One of these will be the recycle bin. This is your destination. Click on recycle bin to open and view all the files you've deleted. These files are in a sort of limbo, not yet permanently erased, which is why they're taking up space. Once you're in the recycle bin, you'll see a list of all your recently deleted files and folders. It's a good idea to quickly review the contents here just in case there's something you might want to keep. Deleting files from here is permanent, meaning these files won't just be removed from your recycle bin, they'll be fully deleted from your OneDrive. So double checking is always wise. If you're sure you want to proceed, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the option labeled Empty Recycle Bin. Clicking this will initiate the process. A confirmation will typically pop up asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the files. This gives you one last chance to revoke the action in case you had a change of heart. Assuming you're ready to continue, go ahead and confirm. And there you have it. Your recycle bin is now empty. This means you've successfully cleared out the files, freeing up space in your OneDrive. Remember, tidying up your digital space every so often helps keep things running smoothly and ensures you have enough room for new important files you might need to store in the future. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on emptying the recycle bin in OneDrive. It's a simple process, yet an effective way to manage your storage. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward how-to guides and feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments section below. Have a great day.